More or less in our study we have come across the term noun phrase, but exactly we don't know what it is or how to identify it in a sentence. So today in this video I am going to teach you what is noun phrase and how to identify it. So if you are new here in my channel, give your like, subscribe this channel and share it. So come with me, just have a look at this video. What is it exactly here? So at first, let's see at a glance what I am going to teach you today in this video. First, we shall discuss what is noun phrase exactly. Secondly, we shall discuss examples of noun phrase. And the third one is types of noun phrase. So part by part, we shall go through all of those points. So if you want to know, you just simply stay connected with this video from the beginning part to the last part. So at first we shall know what is noun phrase. Noun phrase is a grammatical structure which is consisted of noun and some modifiers or determiners to modify the noun. It can modify to a name or place or any idea in a sentence. For example, if I say the cat on the table, the girl is saying the apple is being eaten by a girl, an elephant, and the last one an umbrella with a bag. So here, what are the modifiers here? That is the cat, because the is modifying the exact animal here, that is the cat. So here the cat is a noun phrase because the modifier or determiner is modifying the noun exactly. Next one, the girl is saying. So here the is modifying the exact person here. So here the determiner is the and it's modifying the exact person who is, that is a girl. So the girl is here a noun phrase. Next is we shall discuss types of noun phrase. Noun with premodifiers or predeterminers, sometimes we call predeterminers as well. And the second one is noun with postmodifiers or postdeterminers. So at first we shall know what is noun with premodifiers. Well, you have seen already, as the name reveals itself, the premodifiers come before the noun. It can be either adjective or article. So anything else, whether it can be an adjective or article, so anything as a modifier, when it comes before any noun, that becomes a premodifier. For example, if I say here the novel is kept on the desk, so here the, which is a premodifier because it's modifying the novel. Next is noun with postmodifiers or postdeterminers. So already you have got some ideas what is premodifiers. So next we shall go through, that is postmodifiers, because postmodifiers come after the noun. It can be either prepositional phrase or participle phrase because it is coming after the noun, but still it's modifying or determining the noun exactly what it is. For example, if I say the woman of the house, so the woman of the house, exactly it's modifying the woman and he belongs to this house. So here of the house is a prepositional phrase. So I have already told you that postmodifiers can be either prepositional or participle phrase. So that is the best example what I can say, that the woman of the house, because of the house which is modifying the woman here, so it is a post modifier. So mainly here I have tried to give a very simplified version about noun phrase. It's a quite easy thing, but still we don't know exactly how to modify, how to identify a noun phrase and what is a pre-modifier or post-modifier exactly. So I've tried to give a simplified version of my explanation about noun phrase. Still, if you feel that you have confusion, you can write down in the comment box below. If you are new here in my channel, give your like, subscribe this channel and share it. That's all for today. Tata, see you again, bye. I shall come back here again with another video in my channel. So, tata.